Hello and welcome to Quality Management 357. I will be your instructor, Professor Heather French, and I wanted to take a moment to help all of you get familiar with our Blackboard page. So let's begin by looking here at the home page. You will see my home page is not busy at all. I just have our banner here and I will have the announcements, which most of the time your announcements will also be emailed to you. So look for those to come in your email that you've listed with Vincennes University. The next tab I want you to look at is the email instructor. So if ever you're on Blackboard and you're like, wow, I don't understand something, or I need to email our instructor, here you can click this button and send me an email directly from Blackboard. So it's a great little tool to use. The next button I want to draw your attention to is faculty information. Here I've provided my email, my work number, which you can call Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you contact me outside of those hours, it may be the next business day until I get back to you. I've given you a little information about me and of course a photo so you can put a name and a face together. Next tab here is about our course with the syllabus. So let's take a look at the syllabus. We're going to download that and then open it into Word. And you'll see the syllabus is pretty similar to a lot of the syllabi that you have in other courses. Reminder, this class is 3 credit hours. Again, my information is listed here. And if you need to set up an office hour, we can do so by appointment. So contact me, email, phone, or text to set something up. We can always meet virtually or have a call together or meet over Blackboard, Collaborate, or Zoom. Information about the course and some of the outcomes that are met by this course. And then I want to draw your attention to the text. We'll look more at the text in the next moment or two. And then the grading policy. Reminder, no late work is going to be accepted, and most of your exams, tests, and quizzes will be done via Blackboard. And then the VU policy, I will be taking attendance at our virtual class meetings, and those virtual class meetings will be mandatory. This week, the first week of classes will be meeting on Wednesday from 2 to 3:15, and thereafter we'll be meeting on Mondays. And I'll talk more about this at our virtual class meeting coming up on Wednesday. Reminder again, makeup work and late work won't be accepted. If you have extenuating circumstances, please contact me early, and if necessary, we'll make accommodations accordingly. Your words and what you have to say are important, so please, use your own words, use your own work. Don't use someone else's. If you are in need of disability services, here's the policy, and here's contact information for them, a phone number, and a link to their webpage as well. Be familiar with the standard of student behavior. Even meeting virtually, we need to follow those guidelines that Vincennes University has put into place. Now, know that this schedule is tentative, meaning that we may speed things up or we may slow things down dependent upon our class's needs. So here I've kind of put out a brief outline of what we'll be doing each week. And again, it's a tentative schedule. So it's all laid out right there for you. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we will go back to the syllabus and schedule and course information, and you will see I have also provided you the book information. So these 2 books are available at the VU bookstore, as well as you can probably get them on Amazon or other online bookstores. Okay, next I want to draw your attention to the the tab over here called weekly assignments. This is going to be important and something that you're going to need to look at every week. So we are here in week 1, and let's open that week 1 folder and see what we need to do. So this week, important that you guys complete a discussion board assignment where you will be posting an introduction of yourself. You can either provide a link to a video introduction, or you can provide a written introduction and attach a photo of yourself. I really want to get to know all of you and put faces and names together. So you'll be providing me with information, pretty basic, your name, what you want to be called if it's different from your name, what do you want to learn from the class, what do you like to do, and what your favorite food is. So when you click here on introductions, it'll bring you to that forum. As you can see, one of your classmates already has posted their introduction, so you'll just create a thread and provide us with that information either via video or written. Okay, so let's go back and look at weekly assignments a little further. So what else do we have to do besides those introductions? I have provided you a quick video. I think it does a really good job in explaining what quality is and its importance. So take a look at that. It may clarify some things that you've done in the reading. So this week is all about chapter 1. Please make sure you complete the reading of chapter 1. And I will go over some of this information with you as far as virtual class participation. I provided here the PowerPoint slides. This is just slides that the manufacturer of the text provides. I will also go over some slides if we have time in class, and then I will post those as part of a link that we will have here called virtual classes. Now this link won't be available until after we meet virtually on Wednesday. The other thing that you need to do this week is to complete your chapter 1 quiz. So let's click that and show you how it works. So you need to complete this by January the 24th, which is Sunday at 11:59 p.m. It's going to be 10 questions, each worth 1 point, and you'll have 30 minutes to complete it. So when you click begin, it'll bring up that first question. And I'm really happy that it starts having it'll have a countdown for you. And it also reminds you that once you answer this question and you move to the next one, you're not going to be able to come back to it. So you can't backtrack and change answers. So once you move through all 10 questions, then you're going to submit and save and submit it. And then that will be completed, that task. And I believe that sums up everything that you needed to complete in week 1. We'll just make sure. Yes, it does look like that is everything here for that week 1. Okay, so I have here now, like I said, virtual classes. You won't be able to see this until after we meet, and then that'll be populated with the recording and the slides that we use during that virtual class. I've also created a discussion board called Frequently Asked Questions. If you click that, here is a place where you can ask questions and you can receive responses either from myself or your fellow classmates. So all you would do is click here to create a thread, ask your question, someone else can respond to you, myself or your classmates. I've also provided a link here to Blackboard Help. So if you need more help with Blackboard or have a quick question about Blackboard, oftentimes clicking on this link will provide you the answer. Lots of good information here. So start with your Blackboard questions here and then branch out if you do not find the answer at that point. I also provided links to VU Library, and you have also a link to your grades. So that's just a quick overview of our Blackboard page. I'll go over more things in detail when we meet on Wednesday at 2 p.m. You will be receiving an email with all this information in it. And I hope all of you have a great week and enjoy studying Chapter 1, An Introduction to What Quality Is. Thanks, and I'll see you all tomorrow on Wednesday, January the 20th. Bye-bye.